A federal judge will decide if a lawsuit over this Charlotte woman's death should be dismissed. Mexico is where Shanquella Robinson died, traveling there with a group in 2022. Our Joe Bruno was in court today as this went before a judge for the first time.
No one was ever criminally charged in this case. Friends told family members that Shanquella Robinson died of alcohol poisoning, but an autopsy claims she died of neck and spinal cord injuries. The judge today seemed very familiar with this case, and he's now wrestling with the decision on whether to allow this lawsuit to move forward here or if it should be heard in Mexico.
A United States citizen should not be allowed to go overseas, harm another, or be involved in harm with another United States citizen and come back to the United States and essentially say that they're on base.
That's the crux of attorney Sue Ann Robinson's arguments as to why her lawsuit on behalf of Shanquella Robinson's family should continue. In federal court Wednesday, the FBI and attorneys for 4 of the people who went on the trip with Shanquella argued the case should be dismissed. They argued their clients shouldn't be named in the lawsuit since it was another travel mate seen in this video attacking Robinson. But their main claim is the case should be heard in Mexico instead, since that is where Robinson died and where many of the people live who would be called to testify. Robinson says that wouldn't be appropriate because the main players are U.S. citizens.
It would be burdensome for costs, burdensome for travel, burdensome just because the Mexican civil litigation system is completely different.
Judge Max Cogburn appeared sympathetic to the Robinson family's situation. He pointed out to attorneys that the travel mates all left Mexico before the investigation was finished. As family members await the judge's decision, Shanquella's father, Bernard, vowed to keep pressing for justice.
But I'm going to continue to stand on my strength. I'm going to continue to stand on my faith that I know there is a God above who sit down and watch everything everybody doing.
The woman seen in that video attacking Shanquella is named in the lawsuit, but she was not represented in court today. Records show that she has changed her name and moved to Connecticut. A federal judge will make a decision in the coming weeks. Reporting in Uptown, Joe Bruno, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.